The canyon is literally on fire on both sides. I thought it was just a canyon across my house, but no, it's literally on both sides.
California is once again facing one of its most devastating wildfire seasons, and this time, the destruction goes beyond homes and landscapes. It is threatening the very foundation of one of the world's most iconic beauty brands, Kylie Cosmetics. Co-founded by Kylie Jenner and supported by her older sister Kendall Jenner, the brand stands at the forefront of the beauty industry. While Kendall hasn't launched her own standalone beauty line, her frequent collaborations with Kylie have made her an essential part of Kylie Cosmetics' success. Now, as wildfires rage dangerously close to the brand's production facilities, the future of their shared beauty ventures hangs in the balance. This crisis isn't just a corporate setback, it's a deeply personal challenge for the Jenner family, a test of resilience, unity, and their shared vision. For Kendall and Kylie, Kylie Cosmetics represents more than a business. It's a dream forged through years of dedication, collaboration, and overcoming obstacles. The story of Kylie Cosmetics began in 2015 when 18-year-old Kylie Jenner revolutionized the beauty world with the launch of her first product, the Kylie Lip Kit. With an instant cult following, the brand quickly became a global phenomenon, catapulting Kylie into the spotlight as one of the youngest billionaires in the world. In 2020, she sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to Coty Inc. for an astonishing $600 million, cementing her place as a powerhouse in both the beauty and fashion industries. But Kylie didn't build this empire alone. Supporting her throughout the journey has been her older sister, Kendall Jenner. While Kendall hasn't been the face of a beauty brand in the same way Kylie has, her involvement in Kylie Cosmetics collaborations has been instrumental. From lip kits to eyeshadow palettes, the pair's joint collections have been met with widespread acclaim, reflecting the strong bond they share both personally and professionally. Kendall's contributions bring an added layer of sophistication and high fashion influence, helping position Kylie Cosmetics as not just a leader in makeup, but a symbol of modern beauty culture. The sisters' creative partnership has played a vital role in the brand's evolution and expansion, with products loved by millions around the world. However, this bond and their business now face an unprecedented challenge. As the wildfires continue to spread across California, their proximity to Kylie Cosmetics production facilities becomes increasingly alarming. These fires, which have already consumed thousands of acres, are now dangerously close to the factories where Kylie Cosmetics products are made. The flames not only threaten the brand's operations, but also symbolize a fight for the future of a dream built through relentless passion and teamwork. These are not just any production sites, they are the lifeblood of the brand. These facilities are where the luxurious lipsticks, skincare products, and makeup kits adored by fans are crafted. Without them, the production line grinds to a halt, threatening the very future of Kylie Cosmetics. The factory has already been evacuated, and workers remain on high alert as the fires draw closer. The potential destruction of these facilities would be devastating for everyone involved, from employees to customers eagerly awaiting new product launches. As operations pause, Kendall and Kylie are faced with the harsh reality that their brand's entire supply chain could be severely disrupted. Product launches may be delayed, orders could go unfulfilled, and countless jobs might be lost. For Kendall, this crisis is deeply personal. This is not just about business. It's about our family, our team, and the people who have worked so hard to bring this dream to life, Kendall shared in a recent interview. Our team is everything to us, and we're doing all we can to support them through this. We're not just fighting for a product, we're fighting for what we've built together. The challenges Kylie Cosmetics now faces are not entirely unfamiliar. In 2020, when wildfires devastated Southern California, the brand endured significant setbacks. Production delays, supply chain disruptions, and postponed product launches forced Kylie and her team to adapt and rebuild. Despite the difficulties, Kylie Cosmetics emerged stronger, a testament to the resilience of Kylie and her team. Now, in 2025, as wildfires once again rage across California, the brand faces another daunting test. For Kendall, watching her sister confront these challenges once more has been emotionally taxing. "We've seen this happen before," Kendall wrote in a heartfelt Instagram post. But every time we faced adversity, we came out stronger. This time will be no different. In the wake of this crisis, Kendall took to social media to share an emotional update with fans. Entirely unfamiliar. In 2020, when wildfires devastated Southern California, the brand endured significant setbacks. Production delays, supply chain disruptions, and postponed product launches forced Kylie and her team to adapt and rebuild. Despite the difficulties, Kylie Cosmetics emerged stronger, a testament to the resilience of Kylie and her team. Now, in 2025, as wildfires once again rage across California, the brand faces another daunting test. For Kendall, watching her sister confront these challenges once more has been emotionally taxing. "We've seen this happen before," Kendall wrote in a heartfelt Instagram post. "But every time we faced adversity, we came out stronger. This time will be no different." In the wake of this crisis, Kendall took to social media to share an emotional update with fans.